muscle and blood, skin and bone, a mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load 16 ton, what do you get? Another day fuller and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. Picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 tons of lemon and coal, and the strong boss said, well, bless my soul, you load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day fuller and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. Than the left one. You loaded 16 tons, what do you get? Another day fuller and a deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store.